Royal Place Ministries International Iba branch presents 2022 annual Thanksgiving service with the theme New Level of Glory. Isaiah chapter 60 verse 2. Date 11th December 2022. Time 9 a.m. Nigerian time. Venue at the Church Auditorium 26 and 27 Oba Goriola Road, Iba New Site, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministry Bishop Blessing Samuel, General Overseer, Royal Place Ministries International.
The power of God is here. The power of God is here. Look at that. Out.
Pastor Theophilus Dairo, the resident pastor.
Thanksgiving is testimony with evidence. There has to be proof of your testimony. What are you giving to him?
For inquiry, please call 080-664-45112. Come and you will be richly blessed. Jesus is Lord forever.